Growing up involves navigating milestones, including the significant transition from boyhood to manhood, encompassing emotional, psychological, and social growth. This journey isn't easy, especially in a society that often pushes boys toward femininity, leading to feelings of being trapped by societal expectations or believing masculinity is toxic. Despite facing criticism for masculine traits like competitiveness and vigor, these attributes are crucial for a man's success. Breaking free from societal pressure is challenging but worthwhile. From timeless wisdom passed down through generations to modern insights that challenge conventional norms. Join us as we unravel the transformational journey of growth, maturity, and resilience. It's time to unlock the secrets of manhood like never before. Taking responsibility. Embracing responsibility is a fundamental aspect of manhood. It entails acknowledging one's actions, decisions, and their repercussions. A boy transitions into a man when he comprehends how his choices affect both himself and those around him. Whether it involves admitting faults, fulfilling commitments, or actively contributing to society, assuming responsibility paves the way for personal maturation and advancement. In every facet of life, whether it be academics, relationships, or career pursuits, accountability holds immense significance. For example, within a professional context, a man demonstrates accountability by taking ownership of his work, striving for excellence, and welcoming constructive criticism as a means of growth. Likewise, in personal relationships, he values communication, honesty, and mutual respect, nurturing stronger and more fulfilling connections. Taking actions. We've all encountered that friend who never hesitates to regale us with stories of their triumphs, from the big game to their romantic conquests, their financial gains, and their prowess in combat. Yet, amidst the tales, it becomes apparent that it's all just bravado. True achievement in matters of relationships, finance, or combat demands dedication and perseverance. Sadly, many opt for the shortcut, resorting to boasting to mask their lack of genuine accomplishment. However, this charade crumbles when faced with reality. Men understand that actions speak louder than words and appreciate the power of silence and diligent effort. They discern when to remain silent, focus on their objectives, and let their deeds speak for themselves. Stop playing video games and stop fapping. Video games can be captivating, but it's essential to recognize that they are designed to cater to men's innate desires. The appeal lies in the challenges, competition, and sense of achievement they offer. However, these achievements are artificial, and getting lost in gaming can stifle your ambition and vitality in the real world. Similarly, indulging in online content for gratification can lead to disconnection from reality. It's crucial to understand that what you see in these virtual conquests are just illusions, and failing to engage in real-life experiences can have detrimental effects, including erectile dysfunction, a common side effect observed in many men. Control your emotions. In today's evolving society, there's a push for both boys and men to openly express emotions. However, it's essential to understand that men often process emotions differently. Encouraging emotional expression without guidance can sometimes lead to unexpected consequences like aggression or violence. Balancing emotional control is key, with outlets such as trusted conversations or physical activities like gym workouts proving helpful. Learning to step back and assess situations objectively empowers men to harness emotional control for success, as many have done by channeling emotions into positive endeavors, like building impressive physiques. This emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing emotions effectively for every man. To elevate your journey in life, remember to spread some love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons.